Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall continue with the digital documentation, and topic of today is formatting a document. Formatting means to apply changes in a document that we have typed in MS Word or any word processing software. So let's start with the topic, that is header and footer. A header is a section of the document that appears on the top of every page in the top margin area. It may consist of text graphics. Similarly, a footer appears at the bottom of every page, generally in the bottom margin. Headers and footers are generally used to add page number, chapter or section titles, dates, author name sometimes. On smaller documents, even dates can be set as an footer. हेडर और फुटर MS वर्ड के डॉक्यूमेंट का या किसी डॉक्यूमेंट्स का ऐसा जो फीचर है जो हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं कि किसी हर एक पेज के ऊपर, डॉक्यूमेंट के एवरी पेज के मार्जिन एरिया के जो है उसके साथ आपका हेड एज एन हेडिंग रहेगा, और फुटर जो है वो आपके एवरी पेज के एंड पे सो एज एन नोट होगा. तो सो दैट कैन बी पेज नंबर, चैप्टर नेम, डेट और ऑथर नेम. Sometime on smaller documents even dates can be set as an footer. So if you want to make 4 to 10 pages for your help, if you want to apply page numbers at the end of every page, so that can be the part of footer. So adding header and footer, what kind of steps you have to follow? On the format menu, click page options, and for that you have to click on the header and footer options. Do the required margin spacing and height setting, click on OK, and for that you have to click on the insert header footer default. Type the text. For that if you selected the header option, after selection of header option you can type the text that you want to be keep as your header. And adding fields in header and footer. कौन कौन से फील्ड जो है आप अपने हेडर और फुटर के लिए रख सकते हो, वो ऑप्शंस आपके पास है. इंसर्ट फील्ड, and that field can be date, time, page number, subject, time, author. And insert footer section as same like we can insert the header. The process will be same for the footer. You have to select the footer option from the insert menu that is given on the page number 196 to you people. That click on the insert menu. After that you have to select the option of footnote, and in the numbering section automatic is selected and type section footnote is selected. Like if you have typed page 1 and you have to select the automatic numbering, and for every page your numbering will be in sequential form. Like for next page the page number 2 will be shown to you, for next page the page number 3 will be shown to you people. So as in page number 196 figure 3.7 is having footnote inserted, and formatting text in OpenOffice Writer, like in any writer application you people can. Formatting means changes. If you want to apply changes in your document, like if you had written a paragraph based on any particular topic and you want your paragraph colorful, you want to make the appearance of your paragraph in a good way, and if you want to make attractive heading, so that features can be applied with the help of formatting. Like you can select the option of bold, italic and underline. That option will be the part of home menu. From that you have to select that particular text, and after that you will select you want to make your text bold, italic or underline. To make the text bold you have to select some steps. Type the text in the document, select the text you want to be bold, and click on bold icon from the formatting toolbar. And steps to make text italic, type the text, and after that you have to again select the text and click on the italic option. Your text will be in italic form. And for make the text underline, again you have to write, and on the already written document you have to select that particular document you want to underline. And after underlining, after selecting, you can select the option of underline from the home tab, editing group. And you people can also use the shortcut key for bold, italic and underline, that is Ctrl plus B for bold, Ctrl plus I for italic and Ctrl plus U for the underlining process in the word processor software. सो डिफ़ॉल्ट फॉर्मेटिंग मीन्स बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आपकी जो फॉर्मेटिंग है उसमें आपके पास फीचर्स होते हैं कुछ बोल्ड, इटैलिक, अंडरलाइन, फ़ॉन्ट फेस की, सबस्क्रिप्ट, सुपरस्क्रिप्ट की. लाइक सबस्क्रिप्ट, सुपरस्क्रिप्ट ऑप्शन इज़ यूज्ड वेयर you want the particular text will be shown, and other text will be shown as an base or as an square root. Like in some formulas in science and maths, you people can select the option of formatting font group. So you people can choose the option of subscript and superscript from that. And formatting default option, you have to select the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+M. The next topic that we are having is text formatting, that we will do later on. With this, I will also send you the back exercise and some questions based on this chapter. Till then, you people do revision of the topics and watch this video for the revision of the topics in a good form. Have a nice day.